Today, we'll use the counting principle to solve word problems. Let's begin by looking at an example problem that can be solved using this principle. You are getting ready for picture day. You have 4 shirts and 3 pairs of pants that you could wear. Wearing one of each item, how many different ways could you get dressed? To solve this, we can use the counting principle. The counting principle says that you can multiply the number of choices to find the total number of possibilities. So, to answer this question, we will apply the counting principle and multiply 4 shirts by 3 pairs of pants. 4 times 3 equals 12, so there are 12 possibilities for you to choose from for picture day. Let's visualize why this works. When selecting the outfit, you have 4 ways to pick a shirt, such as a gray shirt, a black shirt, a red shirt, or a blue shirt. Then, for each possible shirt, there are 3 ways to pick pants. So, for the gray shirt, you could choose gray pants, blue pants, or black pants. The same follows for the black shirt, which could be paired with gray pants, blue pants, or black pants. We can show all of the possible combinations for picking pants with the red shirt and the blue shirt in the same way. When all of the possibilities are shown like this, we can verify that there are 12 possible ways to choose an outfit for picture day, just like we got when we multiplied 4 times 3. Let's try another example now. Zeke is making an omelet for breakfast. There are 2 types of meat and 5 types of cheese to choose from. How many different omelets can Zeke make using exactly 1 of each item? Here we can find out how many different omelets by multiplying the number of choices. Each of the 2 types of meat can be paired with each of the 5 cheeses. 2 times 5 equals 10. So there are 10 different omelets that Zeke could make. It might be hard to choose with that many delicious fillings. We'll look at another example next. Sebastian is customizing a new bike. There are 6 paint colors and 3 types of pedals to choose from. For the seat, there are 2 options. How many different bikes can Sebastian choose from? Just like in the previous example, we can use the counting principle to solve. We need to multiply the number of choices for each item. In this case, there are 3 parts of the bike with different possibilities, 6 paint colors, 3 pedal options, and 2 seat options. We will multiply these 3 numbers together. Starting with 6 paint colors, we multiply by 3 pedal types. Then we multiply by the 2 seat options. That's 6 times 3 times 2, which equals 36. So there are 36 different bikes that Sebastian can choose from. And then he'll need to pick out a helmet, of course. Now, let's do one last example. Bridget is making a gift during a pottery class at school. She knows how to make 3 different items, and there are 5 kinds of clay with which to make it. Bridget can decorate the gift with any one of 4 different glazes. How the glaze turns out depends on the firing temperature, and the kiln has 2 temperature settings. How many different gifts can Bridget make? This time, there are 4 different choices Bridget needs to make. The item she'll make, the kind of clay to use, the glaze, and the firing temperature. To solve, we multiply all of the different possibilities Bridget has for each choice. Here, that is 3 items, by 5 kinds of clay, by 4 glazes, by 2 temperature settings. 3 times 5 times 4 times 2 equals 120. So, Bridget can make 120 different gifts. With that many choices, she'll definitely be able to make the perfect gift. Now, let's recap. The counting principle says that you can multiply the number of choices to find the total number of possibilities. As we've seen in these examples, applying the counting principle can help to solve many different kinds of problems. Good luck!